to DIY Girls. I'm Naya and she is
Mamati.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make your own DIY lip balm.
So before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. So today we're going to make a lip balm like this. So what you will need is
an empty EOS container,
some beeswax,
some coconut oil, ours is melted,
something to tint it with food coloring, lipstick, or eyeshadow. You will also need a tablespoon to measure with,
and a heat-safe bowl,
and something to stir with. So let's get started on making this DIY lip balm.
We're first going to start with a tablespoon of beeswax. Then we're going to pour it into the bowl. So now we're going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil into the bowl with our beeswax. Now we're going to add some eyeshadow and lipstick from an old makeup palette. To tint the lip balm, we're going to be using this red lipstick. And we're just going to add this into our heat-safe bowl. So just scoop it up and we're going to, whoops. There we go, that's better. Now I'm going to add this silver eyeshadow to give the lip balm some shine. Now that we're done adding all the ingredients into the bowl, it's time to melt it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
You can add more time if you need it. So we'll be right back with the melted ingredients.
Now that we're done melting all the ingredients, here's what it looks like. Now what you want to do is
pop out the grate in your EOS container. So all you have to do is pop this thing out like this.
And then screw it into the lid and then pour it. Pour the liquid inside until it covers the grate. Now what you want to do is put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes or more. So it's been about 10 minutes now, and here's the finished result. Now I'm going to pop the base on.
Just going to unscrew it, and this is our lip balm.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.